am I doing back there? I still got some backup room? Whoa! Man. Tough crowd. Sure can't take it when you're coming at them. All right, here we go. Black ball. Well, the object of my sport is not putting foot down. So, you can see how the rough time I've been having. I think I'm going to need you guys help me on this first step. You guys going to help me? Oh, it's biting me. All right, we got that one. Ooh. All right, let's listen to you guys over this corner. My 5-foot step up. There we have it. This one's pretty mean right here. What do you guys think? You gonna stream laps this one?